Hi everyone, I'm Domiziana Catalano and I'm going to show you how to use CleverWeather with RIOT-OS. First of all, there is a really small message broker, which is an easy-to-use broker, which has two ports. One port for MQTT-SN traffic and one port for MQTT traffic. So we can use this broker to connect different parts. The RIOT-OS app that can communicate through MQTT-SN and the Azure Hub, which can communicate with MQTT. So the RIOT-OS app creates random values and publish them on a topic on MQTT-SN. The Python gateway subscribe to the broker to the same topic. So messages arrived as a gateway, and when a message arrives, is automatically sent to the Azure IoT Hub using MQTT direct implementation. Finally, there is the Node.js application that reads the message that arrives at the hub, and we can visualize the data that arrive in a web application. Now I can start the broker with the configuration file that I have previously created. As you can see, we have the port 1885 for MQTT-SN traffic and 1886 for MQTT traffic. Now I can start the RIOT-OS application. Of course, I've already created the devices tab 1, tab 0 and the tab bridge, and I'm going to use a board native because I don't have a real hardware. So now I can use the global address here, and I'm going to connect to the broker on port 1885 for MQTT-SN. Now, if I type help, I can see all the possible commands. I'm going to use publisher, which is the one that I have created with the topic FOJA2, which is also the name of a sensor of a device on my hub. So I start publishing messages every 5 seconds. Now I can start a Python gateway. Which is connected and is receiving messages and forwards them to the hub. Now if I run my web application, I can see that there is one device connected, which is FOJA2, the topic that I have used before, and the data are arriving. We have temperature, humidity, wind direction, wind intensity, and rain rate. Check the link in the description for more information.